Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Rich Lux makeup look. So this should be fun. I already have my foundation and my eyebrows on. So I'm just going to jump right in with some super hot pink eyeshadow from Sugar Pill. It's like crazy pink. And we're just going to cover, I think, the entire eyelid with this. Yep, whole eyelid. All the way to the brow. Alright, now we'll do our other eyelid. It's crazy. When I was in middle school, like my first year of high school, I think, I used to wear black eyeliner like this. It was very crazy. Just all the way up to the brow, black. You know, I was a scene kid. Had to get those super raccoon eyes going. Alright, so this is my pink eye part. Now, I'm gonna go in with white. I'm just gonna use this foundation on a brush. I'm just gonna like paint it. Alright, one eye down, one eye to go. Oh girl, look at all that pretty whiteness. Alrighty, next. I need some black eyeliner. We're just gonna draw this outer line here. Then the other side. It looks like he does do his waterline, so like tickles my waterlines, so I'm so bad at doing that. Alright, next we gotta get our rhinestones on. Okay, glue. Right. These might just stick. Alright, then I'm gonna put on a little mascara. Oh my goodness, look at it so far. I'm gonna let the mascara dry a tiny bit, so I'm gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna use Max Saint Germain. I've had this forever. We're just gonna go crazy. Super big lippies. It's a little light, so I'm just gonna mix in a little bit of this gloss. Okay, feeling all this pink, right? Okay, we're gonna glue on our eyelashes now, so we can get some extra intensity in these eyeballs. Plus, let's glue buildup off it first. Let's glue these babies on. Alright, Now we're just gonna add some highlight because hello, we always need highlight, right? Always. And a lot. Now, this would not be a Rich Lux video without a crown. So here it is. Beautiful and glittery. And hello, we need a fan. Looking all kinds of fabulous. I feel so fabulous like this. Alright guys, well this is the final look. If you all want to become Rich Lux and all fabulous, well this is how you do it. Right. Well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good rest of your evening guys. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Makayla Wetmore, and in today's video, we're gonna look so fabulous, just like Rich Lux. Honey, honey, honey. I'm so not good at throwing a fan. Whoosh. I love you so much.